Your actions inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. Then you are a leader. Good morning, everyone, for this particular day. The galaxy of thinkers. Honorable guest, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, parents, and my dear friends. You may eventually discover the beauty of this beautiful day as the event gradually starts to blossom. This day will mark down the investiture ceremony of the Springdale Senior Secondary School and the Chelmsford School. We have gathered here to witness the investiture ceremony of the school cabinet for the academic year 2021 and 2022.
The journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. A million thanks to everyone who has joined us on the most auspicious occasion of our school. The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills of abilities of students, and it is the most prestigious ceremony in the schedule of school events. Let's begin this propitious day with traditional lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shatrubuddhi vinashaya deepajyotirnamostute. Deepajyotirnamostute. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. 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 Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam.
Now, I would like to invite my friends to perform their fascinating and the beautiful dance performance to get the blessing of God with absolute humbleness.
These are some of the old beautiful glimpses of our previous ceremonies. We are serving the society by providing quality education to the coming generation since last 2 decades. The Chelmsford School is one of the biggest play school of the state. Springdale Senior Secondary School is a CBSE affiliated school providing maximum number of subjects in stream, that is science, commerce and humanities. Investiture ceremony is a solemn occasion where children are prepared to don the mantle of leadership and discharge of the responsibility entrusted upon them by the school. Every year, we organize investiture ceremony in our school to develop vision into reality among our students, which will signify the reliance and confidence that the school consign in our leader students. Our physical ceremonies were held with lots of zeal and zest.
It is said that no new venture is deemed complete without a Ganesh Puja. Lord Ganesha is the revered god of well-being and remover of all obstructions. Our humble first invitation is in your name. Please bless this ceremony for a successful completion. Dreams are renewable, no matter what your age or condition. There are still unstopped possibilities and new beauty waiting to be born. So, up here is Ganesh Vandana with a divine and melodious welcome song presented by the students.
मन की वीणा से गूंजे ध्वनि मंगलम स्वागतम 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 मन की वीणा से गूंजे ध्वनि मंगलम स्वागतम 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 मन की वीणा से गूंजे ध्वनि मंगलम स्वागतम 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 सारे गा मग मग रे मग मग रे मी सारे गरे गरे सा सारे गा मग मग रे मी सारे गरे गरे सा ऐसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है आप आए अतिथियों के सरताज है ऐसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है आप आए अतिथियों के सरताज है देव की भांति पूजन करें आज हम स्वागतम 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 मन की वीणा से गूंजे ध्वनि मंगलम स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम
I'm not interested in the power for power's sake, but I am interested in the power which is moral, because that is good, that is right. A leader is the one who knows the way, who goes the way, and who shows us the way. Next, I would like to call our director principal, Sir Dr. Ashish Chatterjee, the flagship of our knowledge, to deliver a welcome speech. Thank you, sir.
Hello and welcome to the investiture ceremony which we are going to organize virtually today. The chief guest of today's function, I welcome you sir, Colonel Praful Singh, the principal of Springdale Senior Secondary School, vice principals, coordinators, teachers and my dear students. In today's investiture ceremony, the students are going to take oath for showing their discipline, their leadership, their mentoring class, their mentoring school, their mentoring responsibilities given to them. Today, it is Kargil Vijay Divas, so I wish you all a very happy Kargil Vijay Divas, which give us a message of showing the valor and toughness during critical time. The students are going to take oath for different responsibilities. This year we are going to replace students periodically. That would be a different kind of opportunity for the students who are not taking part the oath today. The students will be given responsibility in rotation system. The schools of Madhya Pradesh are going to start from today with a different kind of metrics, and different time the student will be allowed to come to the school. I hope that very soon you will be coming to school and will take the classes physically. Your this oath, your this responsibility will give you opportunity to show your competence in that. The adaptability and adjustment is very important, and you have shown that kind of adaptability and adjustment in this pandemic time. You have taken the classes virtually, and in this virtual classes you have shown your competence. I wish you that you should take the virtual classes seriously. You take your physical classes, forthcoming physical classes. Would like you to come to school with your bags and books. The students who are going to take oath today, I wish them good luck, and I thank all the distinguished guests who are part of today's function. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the valuable kind words. You have made such a difference in our lives.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. I am so overwhelmed to get an opportunity to address our respective guests in our today's investiture ceremony. Our guest, Colonel Praful Singh, doesn't require an introduction as he is a well-known personality in our city. He is third generation defense officer. Early days he served as a navigating officer in Coast Guard battleship. He is also known as youngest navigating officer. He was just 21 years old when he switched over to army in artillery as a gunner officer. He also fought active battle in Siachen, which was the highest battlefield in the world at freezing temperature of minus 45 degrees Celsius. He was awarded by a medal for the same. He actively participated in Kargil War and finally was also involved in surgical strike when he was posted as a colonel, GS Artillery at Northern Command, Udhampur. He is also a parachutist, plays flute and writes poem.
The leadership is not about a title or a designation. It is about the impact, influence, and inspiration. The school cabinet plays a pivotal role in smooth functioning of the school. The cabinet students are elected after a rigorous screening from students who excel in academics, discipline, co-curricular activities, and proactive attitude. The students are eagerly waiting for the investiture ceremony. It reminds us of the trust and confidence that we have on our newly elected leaders. In our previous years, our school has organized grand investiture ceremony comprising of great cabinet ministers. Our school cabinet decorates the following designated posts: school captain and vice captain, speakers, transport ministers, sport ministers, ambassador of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan minister, environment minister, cultural minister, language ministers, class representatives, monitors of pre-primary, along with the teachers decorated of the post of house mistresses of 4 houses.
As we all know that appreciation is the highest form of prayer as it acknowledges the presence of good. We all are receiving online education nowadays due to this corona pandemic. In order to improve self-discipline, self-motivation, willingness to speak in problems, sharing educational experiences among all the students, establishing communication skills among all the students. In session 2021-2022, our school has innovated and appointed 2 monitors in each class. The monitors will be the role model of their classes. The monitors will be changed after a fortnight so that each student can get opportunity to prove themselves. The responsibilities of the monitors are as follows. They should have 100% attendance in their classes. They should analyze their strengths. They should be good in academics and can improve it with time. They should involve in the extracurricular activities initiated by school. They should have good handwriting, reading and vocabulary skills and can improve it with time. They should be respectful towards their teachers and school members. They should be fair and impartial. They should help their teachers as and when required.
I solemnly swear to pursue my studies to the best of my ability. I promise to serve my fellow students and school sincerely. As a monitor, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of my school. I will endeavor to be a role model of my class and actively take part in school activities and bring laurels and glory to my school. I will maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me.
I feel privileged to invite our honorable guest, Colonel Praful Singh, to sparkle our ceremony by his valuable words.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, children. It was really a pleasure to be with you all during this investiture ceremony. I enjoyed it and it reminded me of my school days. Remember that you are in a very good school which shapes you well in all the spheres of your life. What I want to tell you that please keep these two things in your mind and you will be never have a problem in your life. Firstly, you must know how to communicate. Communication is not only speaking, not only writing, it's also that what you are wearing, how you behave, everything comes into communication. So at this tender age, you improve your skill of communication and you will sail through towards your life most of the problems, if not 90%, must be 80% or so. And secondly, be courageous. Courageous means don't feel hesitant in doing anything which you want to do. If you got a passion, if you want to play, go and play. If you want to get some hobby, just do it. Means don't feel shied away. How should I do? No. Be courageous, and by becoming courageous, what will happen? You will try and take your decision yourself, which will further strengthen your confidence, which will help you through and sail through. And last and the foremost thing is be happy. How you will be happy? If you are setting up your goal and you are achieving that goal, you will be happy. So with these three mantras, you will sail through in your life and you will see the better side of your life. I repeat it. Firstly, improve your skill of communication. Secondly, be courageous, and finally, be happy. Okay? Take care. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words were really a source of inspiration to us. Now I request our respected principal ma'am to propose a vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all of you present here in today's program. First of all, I would like to thank our guest of the day, Colonel Praful Singh, who made this program a special event by his benign presence and delivering his valuable words on this occasion. I would like to thank our director, Dr. Ashish Chatterjee sir, who has always been a source of inspiration for all of us. I would like to thank our dear parents who have always extended their hands of support in every event to us during this pandemic. And as always, I would like to thank my vice principals, teachers, and all my management staff to make this program a special event. Finally, I would like to congratulate my students for becoming the leaders today, and I expect that all the students will fulfill their commitments as taken today. I wish all the best to my students to become leaders in future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Success always comes when preparation meets opportunity. Our young leaders have taken this opportunity to do small things in a great way today. We wish them good luck for the success. And I would like to announce that we have successfully accomplished our investiture ceremony. Thank you.